this is our video to practice about emergency situation. And the topic we got is about a student who fainting at school. And in this video, we are going to show you a situation during a math class. A student suddenly faints. So, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Santi Putri Kesmantoro.
My name is Nikomang Indah Matayu.
My name is Ayasa Parsa Augista Arane.
My name is Nova Karisma. Happy watching guys for this our video. Enjoy!
Good morning everyone.
Good morning ma'am.
How are you guys?
Good. How about you ma'am?
I'm good too. Okay guys, last week we learned about multiple. So, to remember it, I will ask one question for you guys. Are you okay?
I don't think so, guys. I'm feeling a little bit busy now.
Why? Haven't you taken breakfast?
No, I don't have my breakfast this morning.
Oh gosh. You should have breakfast first. You forgot.
I was in a rush this morning, so I skipped my breakfast.
Come on, breakfast is more important. Your health is more important than your rushing.
That's true.
Don't skip breakfast, come on. Good, are you okay?
Okay, class, there's the question. Koma, can you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
Koma, are you really sure you want to move forward?
Yeah, I'm okay, guys. Don't worry. I can do it by myself.
Really? Okay, don't force yourself, okay? Careful, go ahead. Thanks, guys. Okay, good. You can back to your seat. Guys, don't be panicked. Don't move closer.
Yes, ma'am.
Please open the door. And you get some touches from it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, kenapa?
Here, let's get the catchable for you. Tentu saja.
Oh, Mom, can you hear me?
What happened, guys? You fine, come on. You scared us so much.
Thanks, guys, for helping me out. It's my bad because I skipped my breakfast.
What is your bad one? So don't skip breakfast.
Yeah, that's true.
You make us worried.
Let's explain it. It's important to take care of your health, and guys, you must take her to the medical center.
Oh,
yes, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you for helping. Thank you, guys. Slowly.
Good job, guys.